Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use filter in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture or video. Now search for filter. Now here you can see the option of filter. Press on this. From here you can see different type of filter. You can choose one of them which you like. That's it. After choosing your filter, you have to set your filter like this. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.